It has been exposed. The recent cabinet shuffle wasn't just a routine reshuffling of the government positions. It was a high-stakes game of political chess with dramatic and unexpected consequences, because we know that they are behind the official announcements and the political statements. We have hidden agendas that are at play. We have alliances which were tested and careers were made, others were broken in a single move. We have hidden agendas which were unveiled beneath the surface, and the shuffle was driven by more than just performance reviews or policy priorities. We have power blocks within the ruling party which maneuvered to secure key ministries, while the rival faction sought to sideline our opponents and reward the loyalists. The timing and the selection of these new appointees suggest a calculated effort to consolidate influence ahead of the upcoming political battles. Unexpected casualties. Not everyone survived the shakeup, and therefore several high-profile figures once considered untouchable, the untouchables, they found themselves abruptly ousted and or reassigned to less influential roles. The removal signals shifting loyalties and the waning power of certain political dynasties. For some, the shuffle marked the end of a promising career, as they were pushed to the political sidelines with little warning. We also have meteoric races, where some fell, others soared. A handful of previously low-profile politicians emerged as surprise winners, catapulted into powerful cabinet positions, and we see their rapid ascent hinted at a new alliance forming behind closed doors and the emergence of fresh power centers within the government. Therefore, these rising stars are now poised to shape policy and influence the direction of the administration. Winners and losers, which were revealed. We talk about winners: ambitious newcomers, strategic loyalists who secured key ministries, while they once gaining both visibility and influence, while the losers we know are the established figures who lost their post or were demoted, signaling a loss of favor and a diminishing political clout. To the public, it was left to interpret the real motive behind the shuffle, as transparency remains elusive and speculation runs rampant. The aftermath, as the dust settles, the true impact of the cabinet shuffle will become clear in the coming months. We know there will be policy shifts, new alliances, and further political maneuvering, which are inevitable as usual in our Kenyan. The winners will seek to consolidate their gains, while the losers will regroup and applaud their next moves. Kenya's political landscape has been dramatically reshaped, and the cabinet shuffle was more than a change of phases. It was a bold strategic move in an ongoing game where the stakes are nothing less than the future of the nation, whereby we know kama kawaida, some will take it to make it a political party, and something will happen again. I'm Orino Tiri. For more news and our insights, stay tuned to agrnews.co.ke. Na kama kawa, what will Orino say? That will be my next move after this. God bless you, and stay tuned to AGR News.